In this short video, you will learn how to add an unsubscribe link to your messages. The option to add a link is available on the edit page of a message. Adding an unsubscribe link offers your users a quick and easy way to indicate that they no longer want to receive your communications. Here are two examples of unsubscribe forms. If you use the Consent Center, the unsubscribe feature allows you to choose which communications to unsubscribe from or unsubscribe from all mailings. If you do not use the Consent Center, the form only has a function to unsubscribe the contact or disable them. It should be noted that the text on these forms can be customized from the Workflow menu under Other Forms and Opt-out. It is also possible to obtain a fully customized form by contacting the Dialog Insight team. From your message, in the menu on the left, you have access to a link library. The unsubscribed link is available in this list. When you select it, you must choose the language in which you want to display the form. If the language is not available from the drop-down list, please contact us. It is recommended to add a sentence at the bottom of your message, such as, "If you want to modify your subscription, click here." The label would then be, "Click here." Adding the link allows you to see the nomenclature used. If you use HTML editing software to create your messages, we suggest you add this link to your templates. Do not forget to save the changes to your message before you leave.